Hi. Let me see, Lester. How did you fall off the trampoline?
Like this. Who pushed me off?
Could-
He went like this, and then he walked off, and he was a little bit crying.
You were crying, Lester?
No, who pushed me off?
You pushed him off?
Nah, he just fell like a door. Yeah, he fell off the door.
Let me see. Show me again.
He cracked his hole open, and then he just pushed me out like this. How? Show me. No, he...
Where's Lester? Oh, he's under. Do tricks. Do tricks.
Okay. Ow!
Do tricks. Oh, another one. Go, Julio. Oh, there you go. Oh, you. Go, go. Yeah. Your turn, go. All right.
Wait, my turn. My turn.
Let Julio, you're next. Try this. Oh, good one. Go, Maya.
My turn. It's my turn. It's
Go.
my turn.
Oh, good one. Okay, say bye.
My turn. My turn.
One more. Okay. Okay, all three of you go back and you do your final tricks together. Go back in the line.
Whoever does the best trick.
Okay, get in the line.
Whoever
Three.
does the best trick.
And the line over there like this. Spread out. Yeah, like that. Ready? When I say go, everybody does your trick. 1, 2, 3, go.
I don't have no room.
Go, go, go.
Move. Move, guys.
Hey.
I'm thirsty. Puppy, can you bring the water out here?
Yes, mommy, right now. Go, go, Julio. Oh, awesome. Say bye.